We back. We are looking at this. We got us a product, man. We got us something, y'all. Let's check it out. Dash camera 1080p full HD. It's packaged well, of course. Packaged well. Let's get this thing open, take a look, see, y'all. I see that 100% satisfaction warranty service. I like that. 12-month warranty on this camera. We're going to get into this a little deeper. Hook this dude up. Hook it up. Let's open it up here. Open this dude up. Let's see what we got, man. And as the importance, I think, of having a dash cam is all the non-drivers that we have nowadays, man. You know, I just coming from the post office itself, I just almost had someone run into me. Look at this. Cameras. We got a screen. We have a speaker. Oh man, this is all right right here. 1080p. I like it. USB plug right here. Type C. We're gonna plug it up and take a look, see, y'all. We're gonna plug it up and take a look, see, because I think that we're gonna be able to hook this up for the front and the rear. But we're gonna go ahead and get out our mount. And I think your mount, yeah, I like this. Look at this. Get your mount here, slide it on right here, like so. Hopefully y'all can see this in here, like so. And then we got the double-sided sticky tape. Mount this dude up there on my windshield. Just want to make sure we got it all the way in there now. We don't want it to fall off. And you can also loosen or tighten this on the side here for you to get your right angle. Would help off top if I went ahead and just got in these directions. Full HD dual 1080p dash cam, interface, blue button. Look at this. Power in, mountain socket, menu. Yes sir. I'm anxious to plug it up. Turn it on and plug it up. If I'm not mistaken, yes. We also have a mini SD, 64 gigabyte mini SD card in the side here. So it can record everything that you need to record. Let's say that, you have a incident where you need to go back and review it. It will be on this. We have a small reset button on the side. Let's see if we can get some more light in here for y'all. Small reset button on the side. I'm gonna mount it on my windshield like so. And then also we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Regular cigarette lighter plug, Type C charger, which that to me is a plus. Again, we have two screens here. And I've already pressed record. So let's not do that. There we go. And this, let me go back here. Here's our resolution, loop recording, high dynamic range, exposure, motion detection. I like the motion detection as a security feature. There's power, on, off, up, down with this, parking monitor, G sensor, data stamp, recording. I like it. Then menu, go back to the menu, screensaver, auto power. And if I ain't mistaken, we could take this one, I keep pushing buttons, sorry. We take this other camera and look, bow. So I can record both lenses, can record front and rear. This is definitely going to help for what I'm trying to do as far as on this YouTube channel. Like if I'm doing some, B-roll type stuff, or what do they call it? Where we riding and we talking. Yeah, this is definitely going to help. Definitely going to help. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and put this thing, we're going to double stick it up on the windshield here. And I'm going to download the footage that we get, the conversations that we have with this 1080p camera, put it in this video. And if you want yours, if you want your 1080p video and camera, I will have a link in this description. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, and get you one as well, man. Especially in today's climate of drivers and non-drivers. Man, I think it is a nice thing to have 1080p camera. As you can see right there, that's the camera. As a matter of fact, look, there's me. I like that. I like it a lot. So, and it also comes with a suction cup style mount as well. I think the suction cup is going to be better. The only thing with the suction cup is you can't, yeah, you have to put it another way. I can't, let me see if I can rotate this some kind of way. Does it rotate? Yes, it does. Okay, so with the suction cup, it does rotate. It rotates with the suction cup. I like that. I'm going to try I keep pushing this button, yo. The button's are touchy, though. I'm going to try the suction cup, but here it is on the suction cup. But I'm going to give it a try. I got both mounts. I got this mount and that mount. So if that connection was a little tighter, I think it'll work okay. Run my wires, of course, over here out of the way. And we're going to give it a whirl, y'all. Like I said, 1080p camera. It's going to be super nice. Dash cam, 1080p, full HD. Nice to have. Very nice to have, man. Like I said, in today's climate, I think it's important to have some type of camera. You know, we got security system on our homes. Everybody's pulling a phone out for certain things. You know, when they see something, they got a phone out. So why not have one in your vehicle? And then it also has motion detection. Man, that's another piece of security on top of your alarm. You know what I mean? So let's get into it. Okay, dokey. We got the dash cam running, y'all. Let's see what kind of footage, what kind of quality it got on here. I feel like everybody else has got a dash cam, if you know what I mean. Why not? What do you think?
I don't think it's a bad idea.
You don't think it's a bad idea? A little bit of this footage on the dash cam, how it works, how it looks. Like this curve here, there's always somebody coming around it in your lane. So if you was to have an accident, you say, hey man, there's no guesswork here, buddy. I got it on camera. I got it on camera. You crossed the line. As well as this curve here, same thing. They generally like to ride in the middle of the road, stay in between gas instead of staying in their lane. That's what it looks like to me. I'm gonna stay in the grass. I'm gonna stay in between the grass. I ain't gonna stay in my lane. But yes, sir, y'all. I do. The micro SD card. We're just out enjoying ourselves on this lovely day. I think it's pretty neat that it's got a camera facing this way as well, so if someone was to, I guess, rear end your vehicle, you could see it at that as well. Like I said, the only thing that it'd be nice that it had would be Bluetooth capabilities. Would be nice. Bluetooth capabilities. And then the same thing as with the camera that's facing the rear. I can pan it up, pan it down. I can pan it up, or I can just keep it like it is, you know? Directional, which is cool. Very cool. Nice little features. Simple Simon. Plug and play. Hit the link in the description. By the way, also hit that subscribe. More product reviews coming your way. Swap some stuff garage. Look at that sky, y'all. It's pretty. It's pretty. Looks like it's pretty enough to drop some rain. Dash cam comes in handy. Lights and sirens, lights and sirens.